We're looking at differentiation by first principle method. Yeah, differentiation by first principle method is very simple. What you do is this: you add what? Change in y to y, and you add change in x to x. So to solve this now, we are going to have y plus change in y is equal to what? X plus change in x, all squared. Why? Is because x here is squared, so because of that we'll square it. So now it means we are going to have what? This plus change in y is equal to, if we open up this, it means we are going to have what? X squared plus 2x change in x plus change in y change in x squared. Are we together? Yes. That means if we expand this, we open up this. So now we are going to have change in y is equals to x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared. Now y is crossing over, so it turns to what? Minus what? Y. But now let's recall that we're told that y is equals to what? X squared. Are we together? So it means we are going to have change in y is equals to x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x squared. Now we are told that y is equals to x squared. It means that we can substitute what? X squared in place of y. So it means minus what? S squared. Now this x squared will cancel out this. Are we together? So it means we have what? Change in y is equals to what? 2x change in x. We have what? Change in y is equal to what? 2x change in x plus change in x all squared. Are we together? Now at this point you divide both sides. Divide both sides by change in x. Divide by change in x. You divide both sides by change in x. So it means we are going to have change in y all over change in x is equal to what? 2x change in x divided by change in x. Now we have what? Plus what? Change in x all squared divided by what? Change in x. So at this point we have what? Change in y all over change in x is equal to what? This will cancel out this, will left to what? 2x. Are we together? Now this cancel this, will have plus what? Change in x. Now you take the limb of change in x as it tends to what? 0. So we have what? Change in y all over what? Change in x is equal to what? 2x plus what? 0. So it means that change in y all over change in x is equal to what? 2x. So now in essence what we say is this: if we differentiate 2x, we are going to have what? If we differentiate x squared, we are going to have 2x. So just as I said, when we use the general method to solve, we're able to get 2x, and we use the first principle method to solve, you still get the same answer. Thank you. If you have